Get ready to embark on a captivating journey through the world of design at Salone del Mobile.Milano 2024, taking place from April 16th to 21st at Fiera Milano Row. This year, the event is set to showcase the latest trends, innovations, and collaborations shaping the future of design. This year, the event introduces cutting-edge digital services for exhibitors and visitors, streamlining matchmaking and enhancing the overall experience. The Aware Design Evolves campaign, crafted in collaboration with design experts, explores the evolving landscape of design through AI and community engagement. With nearly 1,900 exhibitors, including 600 young talents and 22 esteemed design schools, this year promises to be bigger and better than ever. Founded in 1961, Salone del Mobile.Milano has been the beating heart of the design world for over 6 decades. What started as a modest furniture fair has blossomed into a global phenomenon, attracting designers, manufacturers, and enthusiasts from every corner of the globe. They're introducing a redesigned layout to enhance your journey, featuring intuitive pathways and curated exhibition spaces. Now you can explore all the wonders of the event in just 640 meters. The event is the return of the biennial Euro Cucina with FTK, Technology for the Kitchen, and the International Bathroom exhibition. These exhibitions will feature 3 large installations, along with talks and taste experiences that explore the intersection of food and design. One of the highlights is the new communication campaign by Publicis Group, which aims to redefine how we perceive and interact with design. The cultural program offers a diverse range of talks, exhibitions, and experiences that push the boundaries of design discourse. Immerse yourself in thought-provoking installations like Interiors by David Lynch and Under the Surface, which explore the intersection of design, sustainability, and human experience. Salone Satellite celebrates its 25th edition by showcasing the work of young design talents from around the world. Witness the creativity and innovation of these emerging designers as they shape the future of design. The Salone del Mobile.Milano is committed to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing environmental impact and promoting responsible design practices. The 2024 edition of Salone del Mobile.Milano is set to be a showcase of groundbreaking ideas and trends, with a focus on putting the human experience at the center of design. As we conclude our preview of Salone del Mobile.Milano 2024, one thing is clear: the future of design is brighter than ever before. Join us in embracing creativity, innovation, and sustainability as we shape tomorrow's world through design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this exciting event. Until next time, stay inspired.